Today, I'll be showing you the basics of how to place your first order using the Degiro investment platform. I'll go through the different order types available and their differences. Now let's get started. To access the platform, sign into Degiro. The example used is the desktop version with a basic account type. Note that the interface may vary depending on the device or account type. To place an order, use the Place Order button in the top right corner, or simply use the quick search bar in the top left corner to search for the stock. Clicking Place Order leads to a search bar anyway, so this saves a step. To select a stock, enter the stock's name, such as Uber, in the search bar. Once the stock appears, click the green Buy button directly, or click the stock name to open its details and then click Buy. Here's how to check the market data. First, verify the green dot and BT indicator next to the stock price. Hover over it to check for real-time data, such as NYSE. An orange dot indicates a 10 to 15 minute delay, which could result in price discrepancies. Choose between day order and good till cancelled. A day order is valid until the end of the trading day, automatically cancelled if unexecuted. A good till cancelled, or GTC, remains active indefinitely until cancelled or executed. Now I'm going to take you through the different order types. You can choose from 4 different order types: limit order, market order, stop loss, or stop limit order. For limit orders, set the maximum price you're willing to pay. Input the quantity of shares, review the base currency conversion. For example, a limit of $58 for one share costs 56 euros and 51 cents with a breakdown fee provided before the confirmation. Click Place Order and confirm or cancel. A market order executes instantly at the best available price. This is ideal for quick trades but offers less price control. Be cautious with illiquid stocks as prices may shift before execution. For stop loss orders, input a trigger price such as $60. When the stock hits the target price, a market order will automatically be executed. This order type offers loss protection but less control over the exact execution price. For a stop limit order, input a trigger price such as $56 and a limit price such as $60. When the stock hits $56, a limit order is placed with a maximum price of $60. This order type provides better control compared to a stop loss order. Before confirming any order, Degiro will show a breakdown of fees. To confirm the order, simply click Confirm to proceed or Cancel to abort the order. We recommend trying each of the 4 order types for practice. That way you can familiarize yourself with how each order type works in different scenarios. I hope you found this video useful. Feel free to drop a like and subscribe to the Financer.com YouTube channel. And to get started with Degiro right away, I've left an affiliate link down below. Now see you on the next one.